At Luther, everyone just sort of belongs and everyone feels welcome, like it's a family. It feels right.
Live and learn at Luther College High School. Luther's unique community offers you the education you seek in a welcoming and caring environment that ensures no doors will be closed. Luther College High School. Change your life for the better. LutherCollege.edu.
You keep thinking this is the year that I get new hardwood. Wait, this is the year where I go to Mexico. No, hardwood. No, Mexico. Hardwood. Mexico. Relax, fly south, and come home to brand new hardwood. Turn old or bold with Carpet Superstore. They have all the colors, species, and grains of hardwood at a price you can afford. Come home rested to what seems like a brand new home, and the staff walks you through the process with zero pressure. Turn old to bold with Carpet Superstore. Park in Arcola. Do you know what $900 in rent gets you these days? For some, it means no heat, walls caving in, bed bugs, sewage. That's not a home. Nobody should have to call that a home. 980 CJME and Habitat for Humanity are building more than a house. We're building a home for a deserving family struggling to make ends meet. Help break the cycle of poverty. Donate to the CJME Penny Project. CJME.com.
If you've got a heavy-duty truck or trailer and you need parts or service, look no further than Maxim.
Tell them how they can win a free iPad.
Come to Maxim Truck and Trailer in Regina, Saskatchewan, or Prince Albert, or check out our new website, MaximInc.com.
Where you can enter to win a free iPad.
And MaximInc.com is mobile, too.
So you can check us out on your new iPad.
And you could win from Maxim Truck and Trailer. Maxim Truck and Trailer.
Dad, I thought you were working on the book.
I am.
Using cocktail napkins.
I have a system.
But does that system work? Better to get a cost-profit analysis from Speedmaster to show you just how quickly your Speedmaster drill pays for itself.
Why are these numbers so blurry?
I think Rover's been chewing over the book too.
Don't be dogged by inferior systems. Talk to Speedmaster today about crop efficiency solutions for your farm. And stay tuned for summer pricing promotions. Online, speedmaster.ca.
On your farm, time is money. And when the frenzy season is on, you can't afford equipment breakdown. This is where Dave and Raymore, Yorkton, and Waters, New Holland jump to the rescue. They will fix your equipment or get a rental out to you, even if that means hauling equipment on a flatbed right to you. And with $3 million in parts inventory, you won't have to waste one more minute waiting for a part. They have it. When you need parts and service, it's Dave.
Raymore, Yorkton, and Waters, New Holland. Big enough to help you, small enough to know you.
This is an encore presentation of Charles Adler, recorded earlier for broadcast now on Regina's #1 news and information station, News Talk 980 CJME.
No, I am not for imposing a ban. I don't know whether Margaret Wente is for imposing government bans or whether she is just being Margaret Wente wanting to oppose a conversation with people. They're getting the tweets right here. Well, Chuck, you want to ban watermelon? Tweet? Want to ban fruit? I don't want to ban anything. Here's what I do want to ban. And I'm not talking about the government ban. I'm talking about self-imposed ban. I want people who share microphones, cameras, websites to stop banning their own minds from accepting information for fear that their biggest fans might be disappointed in their opinion. I want people who have access to microphones and cameras and websites, printing presses, to actually say what they believe, to say what they mean and mean what they say. That they get a few slings and arrows from some of the fans, short for fanatics, so what? Most people aren't fanatics. Right-wing and left-wing, wing-schwing. Most people are normal. They actually turn to opinion makers, commentators, journalists, writers, speakers. Actually turn to them for some inspiration, for some knowledge. This idea that the only thing that people want to hear is their own thoughts. The only thing you're ever looking for when you turn on a radio or a TV is an echo chamber. You want someone to echo everything you believed all your life. I sometimes get email like that. Chuck, you really nailed it now. You're saying exactly what I'm thinking. And then a few weeks later, a few months later, Chuck, I can't believe you're saying what you're saying. A few weeks ago, I was totally in love with you. You were saying exactly what I'm thinking. And now, everything you're saying has nothing to do with my thinking. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with me? I'm not you. I wasn't meant to be you. I was meant to be me. You're meant to be you. Why should I be one of these slime balls that just, puts the finger in the wind? Let me just lick my finger and put it in the wind. Which way's the wind blowing? Okay, what do most members of this particular demographic and this audience want to hear? Good, that's what I'll do. I'll just blow sunshine right up their keister. Because, hey, who cares about what I really think? Nobody really cares what I really think. Why would they? They just want me to echo what they're thinking, with, say, more articulation and more passion, of course. Delivered a little better than the ordinary slob. I understand that. So, no, I'm not banning. I'm not asking the government to get involved, the nanny state, blah, blah, blah. I am asking those people who refuse to accept the truth and refuse to accept change, who have access to microphones and printing presses and cameras, to stop saying the same old crap. Because you don't have the backbone to withstand a few people saying, I can't believe you're saying that. Stop treating your audiences like they're a bunch of 2-year-olds. Most people are normal. And normal people are looking for new knowledge. That's what makes them grow. They're looking for oxygen. Stop suffocating them with the old manure.
Don't want to stay? Text it.
306-306.
Regina's news and conversation station, 980 CJME.
We did our research and discovered innovations in farming lead to a greater return on investment. Echelon Ag. We bring farmers a better return after a hot season in the field. See your place from space with Echelon's precision variable rate technology. Pinpoint exactly where and exactly how much fertilizer you need for every inch of section you seed. Increase yield by 7 to 10% on any type of crop. Echelon Ag, technology that yields. Online, echelonag.ca. Thrilling games, world-class entertainment. Live it up at Living Sky Casino. Stay at participating hotels and ask to stay, play, and dine. You'll receive a voucher for $10 free play and $5 off a meal at Horizons Restaurant. Sign up for your Players Club card and redeem your package. Come on, live it up. Stay, play, and dine at Living Sky Casino Swift Current. Responsibly.
You see those stickers that say, silly boy, trucks are for girls? Well, it's true. If you're a girl who hauls to work sites, pulls trailers, and carries ATVs and sleds, and gets the big jobs done no matter what. Guys and girls who own their work trust Ford Top Trucks. They trust the 2015 Ford F-150s and Super Duties from Centra Ford and Estevan. Horsepower, torque, fuel economy, installing Ford Top Trucks from Centra Ford and Estevan. View the toughest online at CentruckFord.com.
Moose Jaw, summer is closer than you think. You can be basking in the relaxing RV lifestyle for as little as $84 bi-weekly. We have the selection, the styles, the jaw-dropping prices on RVs that will fit your lifestyle and fit your budget. Get a jump start on summer only at the Dream in the Summer RV sale right here in Moose Jaw Exhibition Center, Exhibition Park. Summer just can't get here soon enough.
Morning, Mr. Roccaccini.
Morning.
I know. 2 chicks on a raft, cup of joe, all on his legs, make it move.
I want soft-boiled eggs today.
All the chicks drown the kids.
Wait, I'll have...
What? You ordered the same thing every day for 25 years.
I didn't know there was a choice.
Well, we've had the same menu every day for 25 years.
I worked the same dead-end job for 25 years, too.
Uh-huh.
I heard a commercial from ReginaJobShop.ca.
Uh-huh.
I logged on to ReginaJobShop.ca. Why not win the shop?
Uh-huh.
And they had hundreds of local job listings. I uploaded my resume for free and started getting interviews immediately.
You're rocking my world.
So I chose a new job. Life-changing. I had choices. It was so easy.
Can you make my life easier?
Forget the soft-boiled eggs.
And the kids.
I'll have ham and eggs scrambled with onions.
Eternal twins, wrecked and crying.
Oh, with ketchup.
Make it hemorrhage.
Let them hemorrhage.
Egg off, baby. That's my job.
Sorry. ReginaJobShop.ca. Long name, amazing results. Do you call him or wait for him to call you? How long do you have to pretend to like that band that you do not like at all? I mean, at all. When's the right time to introduce her to your crazy friend Eddie? Navigating the dating scene can be tricky. In our continuing effort to make dating easier on everyone, Cupid.com presents the rules of dating.
Rule number 32. Never attempt to flatter a woman by telling her she looks like a less attractive version of your favorite supermodel. Rule number 55. You may mention your talent once, but only if that's relevant to the conversation. Rule number 102. You cannot refer to your parents' basement as your summer home.
These rules of dating have been brought to you by Cupid.com. Go to Cupid.com now to meet someone special. It's free and easy to join, and hundreds of single people in your area seeking love and friendship are already Cupid.com members, and more are joining every day. Give it a try now. Just sign up at Cupid.com and start having fun and meeting people.
This is an encore presentation of Charles Adler, recorded earlier for broadcast now on Regina's #1 news and information station, News Talk 980 CJME.
Pink Shirt Day, all about bullies, right? Bullying, anti-bullying campaigns wear a pink shirt, not all bullies, etc., etc. A psychologist in New York, name is Izzy Kelman.
Joining the conversation is easier than ever on Facebook, Twitter, and text. Link up at CJME.com.
Get the rumors.
We've got the facts.
Regina's #1 news and information station.
News Talk 980 CJME.
Our radio station.
CJME.